Hey guys, it's me and I am walking down to get the mail. It is 2:45 and as you can see, it's still snowing. Yeah, we've gotten a few more inches since my first video this morning. My husband was out with the snowblower, excuse me, before he went to work today. And this is how much it has snowed since. Sometimes we get big flakes here. Typically they're pretty small though, just because it's so dry. And it doesn't look like Jan's moose has been through here recently, or at least since the snow. Yeah, look at, yeah buddy. I don't see any moose tracks, Jan. It has warmed up. I only have a fleece on and a scarf, and I have the hood up. And my boots and my fleece pants, my winter wardrobe uniform. Look at that. How pretty is that? Those trees. I do like Christmas here, I have to say. Oh yeah, we've gotten a bit of snow. Look at the mailbox. And the moose antler. And the snow on the mailbox. Just take some of that off. What do we have? Anything good? It doesn't look like it. Just junk mail, bills. Oh, a few Christmas cards. So yeah, we can do that. So here you go, guys. Here's your snowstorm. I just really hope we don't lose power. Although we do have our fireplace. But still, losing power here is not fun. And there's our neighbors, and you can see all the snow on the power lines. Yeah, losing power here is not fun because it's so dark. Of course it's cold, although it's warmed up. At least it isn't 30, 40 below, but this weekend it's supposed to start getting cold again. You can hear the crunching. It's because the snow is so dry. And there's our Narnia Harry Potter lamppost. And I can hear the dogs barking. Isn't that pretty? I'm getting a snow facial. All right, you guys. Yep, we're getting quite a bit of snow, but we needed it. We hadn't had snow in about a month, and snow is very important. It provides insulation. So, and there's our Christmas wreath in the window. I don't like it, but my husband does. There's my fake poinsettia that I got at Sam's a few years ago. So, thanks for going to get the mail with me, you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.